All right, let's talk about how you can adjust the row height in Excel. So here we have some data and we can see that not all of these rows are the same size and we just want to get them all to be the same size. So first step is we're going to want to select this little arrow in the top left corner, and what that's going to do is select all of the cells within our worksheet. Now there are one of kind of two main methods that you can do here. Now this first method is what I recommend because it's easiest, but what you can do is in between each row you can see that there's a line. So between 5 and 6 we can see that there's this line here. You're going to want to hover over that line until you get this double arrow with the line through it. Then what you can do is click with your mouse and then you can drag and move this around to the height that you want. So let's say we just want everything to be about right there, let's say. And then you let go and it will adjust all of the rows to be that height. Now another way you can do this is you can right click, go down to row height, and this little pop-up box will show, and then you can put in whatever row height you'd like. Now I don't find this as useful just because for me conceptually 14, I don't know what that looks like. So for me it's just easier to click and drag until I get what I want. But let's just say we put a 17 there, hit OK. That's going to make all of the rows a little bigger. So there you have it. That's how you can make all the rows within your worksheet the same size. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit that like button before you go. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.